This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable full screen mode in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. I have Microsoft Excel opened up now. To enable full screen mode, it's very easy to do. I'm going to show you a couple different methods to do it. The first method, probably the easiest, is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift F1. Now I have went into full screen mode, as you can see. Now to escape out of full screen mode, I'm going to once again use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift F1. I believe that keyboard shortcut works on both Windows and Mac. I'm currently using a Windows machine. Another method to go to full screen mode is to go up to your ribbon area up here. You want to go off to the far right, over to where you see this drop-down arrow. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Ribbon Display Options. Click on it. And right here is full screen mode. I'm going to click on full screen mode. And now to escape out of the full screen mode this time, I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to this three-dot hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I have my ribbon displayed now, and down off to the right side I have that drop-down arrow. I'm going to click on that drop-down arrow. As you can see, I'm currently in full screen mode. I'm going to go back to the original mode, Always Show Ribbon. I'm going to click on that. That is how to enable full screen mode in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.